Deep work is all about concentration. And in this video, I will share 5 easy habits you can build to start your deep work routine. First, write down purpose of your deep work. If your desire of deep work is weak and if your resolve is shaky, you cannot concentrate on your work completely. And deep work is all about concentration. It requires you to have absolute focus on that particular task at that particular time. For that, you have to write down purpose of your deep work. Whatever that could be, getting a promotion, getting passed in the exam, or just feeling happy after doing your deep work. Whatever it could be, you can just write it down. Actually, we are living in a knowledge economy and we are less using our bodies, but we are using our brains and mind for doing our work. So in knowledge economy, what the father of modern management, Peter Drucker, said, in knowledge economy, the task is not given, it is determined. Which is why the psychological aspect of deep work has to be considered. And also, according to the self-determination theory, when you have intrinsic motivation for doing particular task, you will be more motivated and you will increase your more concentration. So for that, writing helps. If you are writing it down, you will have your concentration in place. Second point, have face-to-face interactions. See, when you are doing your deep work, you got to have face-to-face interactions. Otherwise, you will think about to speak to your friend over call. You will think about to see what's happening in someone else's life. You will think about which film star has a new girlfriend. See, all these things and thoughts will occupy your mind and you will use your cell phone while doing your deep work. But when you have face-to-face interactions, you will have your need of social interactions in place. You will not pick your cell phone to speak to someone, you will focus on your work. So interact with people face to face. Third point, let the bell ring. See, if you are starting your deep work session, you will see that your first 40 minutes are filled with distractions. You are getting all the thoughts coming to your mind about your personal life, about your boss, about your problems, about your obstacles, about your mistakes. But you got to keep that bell ring. Without getting affected by those thoughts, you got to focus on your work. I'll give you an exercise. Just imagine that someone is pressing your doorbell and calling you for your attention, but you are not getting out of the chair, you are still sitting at the chair working, and the bell is getting ringed. Someone is pressing the doorbell, it is ringing, but you are not getting out of the chair. Just imagine that. And when you imagine this, you will automatically increase your concentration and you will be able to deal with your thoughts, distract your thoughts effortlessly. At one end, you're observing your thoughts of distraction, and on the other side, you're working on your task without getting affected by it. Practice this exercise. Imagine that someone is pressing your doorbell, it is ringing, you're not getting out of the chair to open the door. Just imagine that. Not actual, just imagine that. So whatever the immediate tasks, the things which will come to your mind, and you will have urge to get up and do those things. So let those thoughts have their own course, let the bell ring, and you remain unaffected and focus on your deep work that particular time. Fourth point, schedule your day. See, as I already mentioned, deep work is all about concentration. 100% concentration at one particular time, at one particular task. So for that, you got to schedule your day. If you have work of answering mails between 10 to 11, after that between 11 to 1 you have to make a report, and between 1 to 2 you have to speak to clients. So if you have these 3 tasks, but if you are not scheduling them, if you are not writing it down, you will have a thought of client interaction while drafting your mails, and you will have a thought of your next meeting while creating your report. So what you are getting here is focused diversion. In order to avoid this, you got to schedule your day. Then you will not mentally overlap things. See, if you are thinking about one task and doing other task, you will not concentrate. For that, schedule your day, you will not mentally overlap, and you will make mental boundaries in place, and you will have all your concentration in place while doing your deep work. So schedule your day, schedule each hour of your working day. And fifth point, celebrate your free time. If you are having deep work sessions, you deserve deep relaxation breaks. because these mental energies are getting created and you are being so focused at the time of deep work. But in order to get rejuvenated, refreshed, in order to remain motivated, enthusiastic, and refreshed, you have to get deep relaxation breaks. So, for that, you have to celebrate your free time. Celebrate it like festivals. Play your favorite music in the background. Make your favorite food. Spend time with your loved ones. And enjoy your free time as much as you can. Because while doing your deep work, you should not think about enjoying your life. And while having family time, you should not think about your deep work. Nowadays, ambitious youth normally have fear of missing out, FOMO, right? When you're working, you might miss your family trips. You might miss some friends get togethers. So you might feel that you're missing out fun in your life. So in order to stop that FOMO, celebrate your free time, schedule it prior, and do what you love to do in those free times. Relax completely. And these 5 habits will help you start your deep work routine. Not just help you start, but help you master your deep work routine, which is the need of the day now, which is important for your life, which is important for your work. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to this channel for becoming a leader in your life. Thank you very much.